watch the little waves between us. You say my name like you're testing how it feels.
I trace the steam, wish I'd memorized this moment. Every quiet breath says more than what we spill.
Hi friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. My name is Karunji Josephine and it's quite a pleasure to have you here. If this is your first time on this platform, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for always coming back to watch our videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing general cleaning of the living room, and I would love to take you along as I do everything. Yeah, so wherever you are, grab a broom, grab a brush, grab a bucket of water, whatever you can, and let's do some cleaning together.
At a joke that wasn't funny, anything to hide the words we always laugh.
So for cleaning, we are going to be using this bleach from Omo. It's the multi-purpose one, and the detergent powder also. It's basically what I use for cleaning, and I always love the results. This is the powder one. So I usually have a routine that I follow when it comes to making sure that every corner of the house is clean. I always advise that if you are to do cleaning, make sure you're not doing everything in the same day, because it can really be overwhelming. Yeah, so I have days where I be like, today or this particular day I'll be cleaning the living room, deep cleaning, and then this other day I'll be deep cleaning the kitchen, another day to deep clean for the bathroom. And I have realized it makes cleaning actually not as a very big task, to the extent that if you decide to do everything all together, you'll get so tired and then you dread cleaning. It becomes a burden. So having a routine always makes it easier. Yeah, so we are in the living room, and at the moment I've started with the tables. I want to be cleaning them, and then I'll be putting them on top of those sofas so that I can have enough space as working area. After making sure everything is clean, I'll be moving the sofas as well. We are going to clean under the sofas. Yeah, so let me know, when did you last clean under your sofas? Yeah, so let's do the cleaning.
Trace maps on the window while the highway hums along. Half-laughed plans for tomorrow fade into your favorite song. You say we always talking, maybe I say I'm just scared to lose. Your eyes catch mine in the rear view like they're pulling me through. Under this backseat moon, I finally tell the truth. Almost every someday leads me right back to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Turn the volume down, let the words come out under this backseat moon. Your shoes kicked on the floor mat, cold fries on the dashboard. We get deep, then we laugh it off like we didn't open every door. You say, why do we keep drifting? I say, I'm afraid of change, but my hand finds yours between us, and it all rearranged under this backseat moon. I finally tell the truth. Almost every someday leads me right back to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Turn the volume down, let the words come out under this backseat moon.
So one other tip that has really worked for me is to portion the places which I'm going to be cleaning first. So I started with the under the couches, because I realized that is where most of the dirt actually hides. Some of the toys of the children, they fall under there, so it's easy when you portion where exactly you are to start from and then follow through. Just like you're seeing, I sweep a certain portion and then I mop it like that. Yeah, I feel like portioning places to clean makes also the work easier, because I know which area I'm going to after the other. So if you are new here, you are welcome on this platform. If you are a returning subscriber, like I always say, it's such a pleasure to have you here. I also figured the walls get dirty. Thank God the paint on our walls is actually washable. Like, you can just get a rag and make it wet just with water and then clean off the dirt from the walls. So this is what I was doing.
You left your sweater on my chair, sleeves still smelling like your soap. Funny how the smallest things carry all the heavy hope. We said see you soon like it was nothing, but soon turned into miles and days. Now every quiet morning keeps calling out your name. You make little earthquakes in my steady ground, shaking all the walls I built around me. Every time I think I finally settled down, you turn up in a memory. I keep saying I'm okay, that I moved on somehow, but my heart still slips and breaks on your little earthquakes. Your little earthquakes. I passed the cafe by your work, still know your favorite drink by heart. Barista asked me how I've been, I laugh and fall apart. I talk like I'm fine in the daytime, tell friends I found my feet again. But when the evening quiets, I feel you rush back in. You make little earthquakes in my steady ground, shaking all the walls I built around me. Every time I think I finally settled down, you turn up in a memory. I keep saying I'm okay, that I cooled on somehow, but my heart still slips and breaks on your little earthquakes. Your little earthquakes. Trace maps on the window while the highway hums along. Half-laughed plans for tomorrow fade into your favorite song. You say we always talking, maybe I say I'm just scared to lose. Your eyes catch mine in the rear view, like they're pulling me through. Under this backseat moon, I finally tell the truth. Almost every Sunday leads me right back to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Turn the volume down, let the words come out. Under this backseat moon. Your shoes kicked on the floor mat, cold fries on the dashboard. We get deep, then we laugh it off like we didn't open every door. You say, why do we keep drifting? I say, quiet, clear. I love you, hanging in the air. Under this backseat moon, I finally told the truth. Almost every someday always led me to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Leave the engine on, let the world roll on. Under this backseat moon.
You're humming in the kitchen, bare feet on the cold tile floor. You say the coffee tastes too bitter, but you're sipping like you want more.
You laugh at all my worst jokes, flip through the same old shows. You say you're scared of changing, but you're braver than you know. We're not perfect.
So one other thing that actually makes cleaning easier is having a decluttered home. Yes, and that is having each space for particular things that you don't use in the house shouldn't actually be there. So one of the hacks that has actually helped me, since we have little children, is to have a place where to keep their toys, just like you see here. So these are some of the toys, but those drawers you're seeing there, we actually left it for them. They keep their toys there, and it has helped to keep the house actually organized, so you don't have to worry toys being all over the house. Yeah, so finally we are done with the cleaning, and it's time for me to put everything back in order. But basically the whole entire living room right now is smelling so nice, very clean. And yeah, I'm so proud of the work done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. It's always a pleasure to take you along. And yeah, let me know down in the comment section, how do you usually do your cleaning? One other tip I forgot to share with you is to actually clean as you go. Yeah, don't wait for the mess to pile up. That one right there has helped me a lot. So this is it, guys, and see you all in the next video.
Tries.
We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, hearts a little